I just got update 2019 5.15. I was really excited because I've been waiting forever for Sentry Mode because there's been a shit ton of break-ins in the Bay Area. People are getting their windows smashed in and their trunks looted even if they have nothing in the back seat, and it's pretty much an epidemic. Sentry Mode is definitely going to be a really good thing to have to at least like thwart some of that. Unfortunately, what I found out is for this update, that's all they have. They have dog mode and they have auto folding mirrors based on location. So unfortunately we will not be getting Sentry Mode yet. So we're just gonna have to check these out. So dog mode is basically if you have a dog in the car, you can set the cabin to a certain temperature, and then also have a little warning on the screen that tells people like, hey, my owner's away, but don't worry, here's the temperature inside the car right now. Please, basically don't smash the window because everything's fine. And then there's the auto folding mirrors based on location, which this is something I really like, and hopefully it works well, because right now I park in, as you see, in this stall here at my apartment, and it's pretty tight, and so I always fold my mirrors before I drive in, just in case I accidentally clip it on one of these pillars or something like that. So it'll be nice to not have to do that myself every single time I park. So that's nice. And other than that, minor improvements and bug fixes, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's I was hoping for more, but I guess that's all. Here you can see where you can set dog mode. So it is just another option here in keep climate on. So let's hit dog. Climate and screen will stay on after you leave the car. Will turn off when battery reaches 20%. Sentry Mode will be disabled. Interesting, because I don't even have Sentry Mode yet. They're mentioning it. Okay, that's great. I'm here in the passenger seat. I guess being in the passenger seat doesn't turn it off. That makes sense because your dog might be jumping around and you wouldn't want the heater or their AC turned off because of that. So that's pretty cool. Not a useful feature for me, but that's really nice to have for people who have pets. And here it says auto fold mirrors at this location. So I guess since I'm parked here, hit that. Auto fold set at this location, and that's how you can cancel out of it. Nothing interesting. We'll see how it works. I'm gonna go and do a test and see how it does. Okay, so my spot is right over there, and it just auto folds. So that's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's like maybe, I don't know, like 15 feet away. Yeah, really good. Awesome. Good job, Tesla. This is really helpful. So even though it wasn't mentioned in the notes, I do have Sentry Mode. So I guess we can also take a look at that. Yeah, I mean, no mention of it, but the options right here. Looks like I can turn it on, no problem. And go, let's see if this works. I'm gonna try to make it react. I don't know if it's operational. Doesn't seem to. Oh, I do have my phone here. Let me turn my phone off, or turn off the Bluetooth, because maybe it's detecting me and that's why it's not arming. Okay. Yeah, because the car has not locked yet. Okay, now it's locked. Let's see now if Sentry Mode works. Oh, there it is. Yeah, Sentry activated. Oh, that's awesome. All right. Yeah, now I can feel a little bit better parking in the Bay Area. At least the side cameras will record whoever smashed my window, not that the cops will do anything about it. But okay, that's really cool. Awesome. Very glad to see that. So that is the 2019 5.15 update for my Model 3. Very happy that Sentry Mode is here, even though for some reason it's not in the release notes. Dog mode is awesome, and the auto folding mirrors works great. Guess I'll see you guys in the next video whenever another update is out, or another food video, as I've promised for the last who knows how long, and I haven't done so. Anyways, I'll see you guys whenever I decide to make another video. Okay, see you later.